Today we are conducting the election for the LSK, and there are 8 positions. That is from the president up to the advocate disciplinary. And generally we are open at 8:00 hours. And we expect to continue during the day up to 5 p.m. and then we start the counting afterwards. So we have our clerks and our other officials, and we also have the agents who have come, only one so far. Since started up to now, it's only one voter who has voted. But we expect, because we have only 61 registered voters in this station, maybe we do not know how the turnout will be. At the end of the day, we'll give you the number of the turnout.